What's up guys, welcome back to Kuro Gaming. Today we are building a powerful gaming PC that's made for serious gamers, creators and anyone who wants a top tier performance without any compromise. Whether you are grinding competitive games, editing 4K videos, streaming or handling demanding AI workloads, this build is ready for it all. Here's everything going into today's setup. Powering this build is Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 265K processor. It delivers incredible gaming performance while offering plenty of horsepower for multitasking, content creation and productivity. We are pairing it with the Gigabyte 860 Eagle Wi-Fi 6E motherboard, giving us PCIe Gen 5 support, fast connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi and a solid platform for Intel's newest processors. For memory, we have got a 32GB of Acer Predator DDR5 RGB 6000 MHz. For storage, 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD. And now for the star of today's build, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12GB of VRAM, built for high refresh rate, 1440p gaming, ray tracing, AI-powered DLSS and smooth content creation. This card delivers serious performance. Keeping everything cool is the Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML360L ARGB V2 liquid cooler. Power comes from a reliable Antec 750W 80+ gold power supply, and everything fits beautifully inside the NZXT H7 Elite RGB case. So let's get this beast assembled. Take a look at this build. And that's the complete PC build. If you enjoyed this complete PC build, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to Kuro Gaming.